Today's day 3 of Gatlinburg. We're about to go get some food real quick. Check the view, bro. That never gets old. About to go meet up with a bunch of other cars. See what's up with the car meet. What's going on out there. We got a lot more content to get. Today is Friday. Tomorrow we're at the show. Sunday we're probably going to be popping around outside. But we're about to go and meet up with a few people. I think we have a video shoot today. A few car meets. I think there's an Infinity meet. We'll probably stop by there after our shoot. We're getting pulled over by the BMW. We're about to go to this car meet. It's called the Pink Meet or something like that. We're about to drive out there. About a 45-minute drive. Houses out here is crazy. On the mountains. Then you got the crazy view right here. You guys said you guys wanted to see the point of view. Get some clips driving around. We're about to go to Chick-fil-A right now. Food real quick. And look at that G35 carbon hood. C7. Damn, this Honda right here is Cam Bird. Got the whole camera rig on the vet. That was crazy. Cars every single block. Yeah, we about to go get some more content today for sure. Bro, we got this big truck. Alright guys, we're pulling up to the meet. We can get so much content out here. We're gonna get some videos of the cars here. Then we're gonna go to another car show after this. We'll be outside today. Tomorrow we're going to Planned Enough show on Saturday. Try to get a spot by the water. Get some reels in. AMG GT right here. Oh my god. Jesus Christ. GTR. Mobbing in the streets right now, bro. There's so many cars outside. It's like crazy. Q50 right here, G35 with no hood. Man, the camera G. Got a bunch of cars right here. Like, bro, there's so much traffic in the streets, but everybody outside. Bro, that thing definitely looks like a state trooper car. That's pretty great. Sheesh. They look crazy. They look crazy. This thing look crazy though. Appreciate it. That thing is crazy. Sheesh. Z's, 300 Z's. Crazy. I ain't gonna lie, the blue chrome on the TL is crazy. Up the mountain. The Q is looking crazy. RS6. Yeah, it definitely is. Definitely is. Yeah, for sure. It's definitely a good spot.
And my favorite too.
Thank you, thank you. Trying to come as many shows as I can.
Hell yeah.
Alright guys, right now we're on our way to the marathon. See if we can catch a meet real quick. not seeing no Q50 bills, so. Maryland in the house. Raise IPL. Bro, there's so many cars here. If y'all ain't in Get right now, man, y'all missed out. But I got y'all with the content. Sheesh, LS Swap. Crazy. Let me go walk over here to the gold Lambo real quick. Got the gold Lambo. That looks crazy. Carbon fenders. Carbon rear bumper. It was crazy. We got a crazier spot now. Under the lights. Bro, the Skyline parking next to us is crazy. Taillight's hard. Sell your hood to me?
Well, picture.
I got a 350Z too.
I'll think about it.
Let me know. Yeah, appreciate that.